Dear Prime Minister Holness, I am writing to you today as a concerned citizen, deeply invested in the well-being and prosperity of our beloved Jamaica. Your leadership has guided us through challenging times, and we acknowledge the efforts made to address the multifaceted issues facing our nation. However, certain pressing concerns demand our immediate attention and a renewed commitment to finding sustainable solutions. This letter serves as a heartfelt plea to prioritize the urgent needs of our people and to work collaboratively towards a brighter future for Jamaica. We must acknowledge the realities on the ground, engage in open dialogue, and implement comprehensive strategies that address the root causes of these challenges. Our collective goal should be to create a Jamaica where every citizen feels safe, empowered, and hopeful for the future. The following sections will delve into specific areas requiring urgent action and offer potential solutions for consideration. Crime remains a pervasive issue in Jamaica, casting a shadow of fear over our communities and hindering our nation's progress. The statistics paint a grim picture, and the daily lived experiences of our people underscore the urgency of this crisis. We need a multi-pronged approach that goes beyond simply reacting to crime but addresses its underlying causes. Poverty, unemployment, and lack of opportunities create fertile ground for criminal activity. We need to invest in social programs that provide at-risk youth with alternatives to crime. Education, vocational training, and mentorship programs can empower our young people and steer them towards a brighter path. Law enforcement agencies need to be properly equipped and supported to effectively tackle crime and bring perpetrators to justice. However, we must also prioritize community policing initiatives that build trust between law enforcement and the communities they serve. Addressing crime requires a holistic approach that tackles its root causes while ensuring the safety and security of all Jamaicans. Education is the cornerstone of a thriving society, and we must invest in our youth to secure a brighter future for Jamaica. Our education system needs urgent reforms to ensure that every child, regardless of their background, has access to quality education. We need to address the disparities in educational opportunities that exist between different communities. This requires investing in infrastructure, teacher training, and resources for underprivileged schools. No child should be left behind due to their socio-economic background. Beyond academics, we need to foster creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. This includes promoting STEM education, vocational training, and entrepreneurship programs that equip our youth with the skills they need to thrive in the 21st century. Investing in our youth's education is not just a moral imperative, it is an economic necessity. By empowering our young people with knowledge and skills, we create a more prosperous and equitable future for all Jamaicans. Section 4. Building a resilient economy. Jobs, innovation, and local support. Economic growth and job creation are essential for Jamaica's prosperity. We need to create an environment where businesses can thrive, innovation is encouraged, and more Jamaicans have access to meaningful employment. Supporting small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, is crucial. They are the backbone of our economy, providing jobs and driving innovation. We need to create policies that make it easier for SMEs to start, operate, and grow their businesses. This includes access to financing, streamlined regulations, and tax incentives. We must also diversify our economy and explore new sectors for growth. Investing in renewable energy, technology, and sustainable tourism can create new jobs and reduce our reliance on traditional industries. By fostering a supportive environment for businesses, investing in innovation, and equipping our workforce with the skills they need, we can build a more resilient and prosperous economy for all Jamaicans. Section 5. Safeguarding Paradise Environmental Sustainability for Jamaica. Jamaica is a beautiful island nation, but our natural environment is facing increasing threats from climate change and unsustainable practices. We need to act now to protect our environment for future generations. This requires investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. We need to promote energy efficiency measures and reduce our carbon footprint. Protecting our forests, coral reefs, and coastal areas is crucial. We need to strengthen environmental regulations, promote sustainable tourism practices, and invest in conservation efforts to preserve our natural heritage. Addressing climate change and promoting environmental sustainability is not just an environmental issue. It is an economic and social imperative. By protecting our environment, we protect our tourism industry, our food security, and the health and well-being of all Jamaicans. Section 6, a call to action, unity, progress, and hope for a brighter future. Prime Minister Holness, the challenges facing Jamaica are significant, but they are not insurmountable. We, the people of Jamaica, are resilient, resourceful, and committed to building a better future for ourselves and our children. We urge you to prioritize these urgent needs, engage in meaningful dialogue with all segments of society, and work collaboratively to implement effective solutions. Let us seize this moment to create a Jamaica that is safe, prosperous, and just for all. Together, with determination and a shared vision, we can overcome these challenges and build a brighter future for Jamaica. Sincerely, a concerned citizen of Jamaica.